how to log out of YouTube account on mobile on 2023. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure you like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your YouTube. After that, make sure you are logged in with your account that you want to log out. After that, in the right upper corner, you'll be able to see your profile icon. So all you have to do is tap on it. So here you can see there is no any option for logging out. So in order to log out, you can follow the simple step. So first of all, you have to tap on the arrow button which is in the right hand side, and here in the lower section you'll be able to see the manage account option. Go through it and you have to select the Gmail account that you have logged in into your account, and here you can see the remove account option. So in order to log out, you have to tap on remove account, due to which you'll be able to log out of your YouTube. So by following this simple step, you can log out of YouTube account on mobile on 2023. So I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.